In this video, I'll show you how to install the Samsung Smart Switch application on your Windows PC. So you can actually do this if in case you want to maybe back up your Samsung phone to your computer. It makes the process extremely easy. So go to your favorite browser on your Windows PC, and then you want to go to this website. So this is a Samsung Smart Switch page on the Samsung website. I'm going to leave this direct link in the description. So what you want to do from here is simply click on the Microsoft Windows Store button right here on this page. So click on that, and then it's going to prepare for you the download. All you have to do is click on save and have the installer downloaded onto your computer. Next thing you want to do is go to File Explorer on your PC and then navigate to your downloads folder or wherever the location is that you downloaded your application. Here it is, Smart Switch. You want to double click on it to start the installation process. And then of course, if you're asked if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click on yes to accept that, and then that's going to start the installation process. Now, as you can see, there's a pending Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 version, which is required. So you gotta install that first. Once that is installed, now it's going to start installing the Smart Switch. Now, all you have to do is just read the license agreement. You can see it says there the destination folder is there. You need to accept the terms, and then also read and accept the terms of license agreement, and then click on next. And that's gonna install the app. So just be patient. Now it's still installing the drivers, so this may take several minutes. All you have to do now is be patient. So once it's done installing, it's gonna let you know installation is complete. All you have to do now is click on finish, and that's gonna launch the app for you. So that is Smart Switch. Now to start using, all you have to do is connect your Samsung phone to the computer via a cable. Now, from time to time, you might see a Smart Switch update. Now this says there's a new version of Smart Switch which is available, and all you have to do is click on Switch Update, and that's going to update your Smart Switch application to the latest version. That's done. So click on yes again, and now it's going to install the latest update. There you go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.